The Shinkansen factory, a marvel of automation and human skill, building Japan's iconic bullet trains.
To the world, it is speed. To us, it is a sculpture of safety.
We have 14 days to finish car 16. The tolerance is 0.1 millimeters.
Under immense pressure, the glowing aluminum takes its final shape, cooled rapidly to form the double skin profile.
We use double skin aluminum. It is hollow inside, like a truss bridge. Light but rigid.
This structure absorbs sound. It is why the cabin is quiet at 300 kilometers per hour.
We don't just use arc welding. We use friction stir welding, FSW.
The metal fuses together smoothly, leaving a nearly invisible seam.
Smooth. No bumps. This reduces drag.
The body must be airtight. When we enter a tunnel, the pressure changes are immense.
This is the heart of the Shinkansen factory, where the iconic nose is meticulously crafted by robotic precision. Secured in this precision jig, the complex curves of the N700S evoke the sleek lines of a modern fighter jet.
Robots can do the body, but the nose? That requires the hand of a master.
We call this uchidashi, hammering out the soul of the metal.
The computer designs it. We make it real.
The air must slip over this without a whisper. It is perfect.
The nose cone is welded to the main body, completing the iconic silhouette.
Here in the painting facility, synchronized robots apply the iconic deep indigo blue with millimeter precision. To ensure maximum longevity, the entire Shinkansen body is submerged in a specialized anti-corrosion primer.
Too thick adds weight. Too thin risks corrosion. We aim for 150 microns.
Here in the state-of-the-art facility, the N700S receives its iconic blue livery.
It must shine, not just for beauty, but to repel dirt and snow.
In this vast manufacturing hall, the heavy steel components of the bullet train are brought to life through precise, automated welding.
The body is aluminum, but the legs must be steel, high tensile steel.
The massive steel wheel is slowly pressed onto the axle, requiring immense hydraulic force for the interference fit.
These axles spin 50 times a second. Balance is everything.
Using millimeter precision, the robotic system lowers the heavy-duty springs and dampers into the bogie frame.
This is the active suspension. It leans into curves so your tea doesn't spill.
The electric motors are mounted to the bogie, dense and heavy.
The hammer test requires a precise strike and a keen ear, listening for the specific resonant ring of a secure bolt.
A clear ring means it is tight. A dull thud means danger.
The finished bogies are rolled out, looking like robust industrial sleds.
The Shinkansen requires thousands of precisely laid cables. This meticulous process ensures the reliability of the bullet train.
40 kilometers of wire in one train set. It is a nervous system.
Once the wiring and insulation are confirmed, the composite floor panels are precisely secured.
The windows are fitted, heavy, multi-layered glass to withstand air pressure.
Legroom and reliability. The passenger notices the seat, not the engine.
The heart of the Shinkansen, the master controller, requires absolute precision during installation.
It smells like a new car, but it will carry millions.
In a process known as the marriage, the car body is precisely lowered onto the awaiting bogies.
Align the front section now.
Torquing the main bolts.
Check the rear coupling.
Now it is a train. It has legs.
To ensure absolute integrity, the train is blasted from all angles by high-pressure water jets, simulating the harshest weather conditions.
Dry as a bone. The seals are holding.
The Shinkansen undergoes meticulous calibration. This weighing station ensures the center.
Check the clearance on panel 72-9. We need to ensure it meets the aerodynamic specification.
Confirmed, Chief. I'm logging the measurement now.
Even the smallest smudge affects the aerodynamics. We must achieve perfection.
We call this Shinkansen theater. The performance must be flawless.
As night falls, the factory prepares the latest Shinkansen for transport.
Using precision hydraulics, the massive train car is carefully lifted from its assembly supports, preparing it for the journey by road.
Go safe! Run fast! Run fast!
To transport the nose cone, they must navigate these tight alleyways, a delicate dance between modern engineering and traditional Tokyo. Once the carriage is complete, the overhead crane maneuvers the massive structure, lowering it precisely onto the main rail lines.
The final coupling completes the 16-car set, a testament to precision engineering. The line is now ready for testing.
Power is applied. The pantograph rises to touch the overhead wire.
Systems online, ready for high-speed test.
The wind blast alone generates immense pressure, but we must analyze every data point for safety.
50 years of evolution. And we are still learning. And we are still learning.
The hydraulic press forces the superheated billet through the die, creating the precise double skin profile required for construction. To achieve these speeds, the aerodynamics must be perfect. The laser scanner maps the surface with micron-level accuracy.
Calibration is critical. We use these gauge blocks to ensure every measurement is precise, down to the micron.
Angle it just so. Steady now. Good. Much better control on that strike.
The high-volume, low-pressure spray ensures a uniform application of the anti-skid surface, critical for maintenance access. The emergency brake system on the Bogie truck is put to the ultimate test. As the wheels reach maximum velocity,
We need to ensure the next shipment is on schedule.
I agree, especially with the upcoming inspection.
Utilizing a sophisticated robotic crane, the module is precisely maneuvered into the Shinkansen carriage, ensuring perfect alignment. We verify the thickness at multiple points to ensure consistent acoustic performance across the board. The N700S undergoes rigorous testing to ensure peak performance in all weather conditions. The The installation process begins with the bogies, massive steel structures designed for durability.
It's a pleasure working with you on this project. The new layout looks great.
Thank you, Kenji. We appreciate your expertise. We're ready for the rollout.
The specialized washing booth uses high-pressure solvent and precise bursts of compressed air to ensure
The Shinkansen represents the pinnacle of high-speed rail, assembled with millimeter precision in this state-of-the-art facility.
The Hitachi Kasado Works, where the future of high-speed rail takes shape. Precision engineering on a massive scale.
This is the heart of the Shinkansen factory, a fusion of meticulous human inspection and advanced automated assembly.